Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a purple glam look. I might not be doing my foundation because I'm a little dry everywhere because I've been doing like this acne treatment and like I've been washing my face morning and night. So I guess I'm washing it too much and like it's getting all like dry and stuff. So I'm just gonna get started because I don't want this intro to be too long. So my stupid sister decided to blow dry her hair like at the damn last minute, like while I'm trying to record. So I'm sorry about the stupid background noise. But anyways, we're gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be using this dark purple color, and I'm just gonna be packing it on right here and right here, and like, you know, on the crease. I'll just show you what we're gonna do. So the next step is I'm just going to take a blending brush and just blend out the purple so there's no harsh like bad creases and lines. Really want to blend it out so you could get that like smooth and blended out look, so it just doesn't look bad, like ugh. So next I took a angled crease brush that you could use for concealer, eyeliner, really whatever. So I took that brush and I just put concealer on it, and I'm just doing a crease in the middle so then we could just add shimmer where we put the concealer. Okay, so after just like putting the concealer in the middle, I'm gonna be going into my Profusion, bro, you can't even see anything. Profusion Urban Thin palette. I got this from Five Below because it was just, cheap. But it's okay. It's actually good quality. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this yellow color. I'm trying to block out the light. This yellow shimmer color, and I'm just gonna apply it where I put the concealer. So this is the finished eyeshadow look. I'm gonna do this eye and like my foundation and everything off camera because I don't want this video to be too long because I hate editing so much. Like I hate it so much. Like I wish you could just make a video and they edit it for like you by yourself. But I know some people, they have their little editors and they pay them, but I'm not rich. Like I don't even get paid for this yet. Like whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the other eye and the foundation, and I'll see you back in a little bit. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I wasn't gonna make it long because I'm really hungry and I feel like throwing up, so like I'm about to wrap this video up. Yeah, this is the finished look. Please like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. In my next video I'm probably gonna do like high school advice video, like a back to school related video. So please guys, stay tuned to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.